Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am. Wait for everybody. Anyway, so date, day, and what time? Day means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, like that. And time, what time you started writing this diary? So, dear diary, all the details you want to write, and finally you can write your name. Okay. Now write diary entries on these topics. You are Suchitra. You happen to go to Jaipur to attend a wedding on a hot summer day. Record all your experiences in the form of diary entry. Or you visited your native village and saw the simple life led by the villagers there. Write a diary entry stating why you like that their lifestyle or you dislike the experience, both bad or good. Anything you can write. And you, along with your friends, you have joined an NGO that educates people. What is NGO? Nobody knows.
National Government Organization.
Huh?
Ma'am, I think so. National Government Organization.
Yeah, non-governmental organizations. What do you mean by non-governmental organizations? Means they will not be concerned or they will not have any tie-up with the government, but they will do lot of social service. Very, very, very helpful and non-governmental organizations will call. For example, they'll build up these old age homes. They will build homes for orphans. They will supply food. And what they will do, they collect actually non-governmental organization is a body. They'll have some 10 or 20 committee members. Okay. These committee members collect money from ordinary people, from their network, from their relatives, from their whereabouts. I got this WhatsApp groups. So many groups are there, right? Facebook and all that. So they collect money and they don't use it for their own purpose. Okay. They use it only for others who are in actual need of services or actual need of money. For example, old age homes. Say many kids nowadays, those who don't have kids or those kids who have left them because they don't have money to take care of them. Those people will be staying in old age homes. So they will run their old age organizations like that. Okay. You can write about you along with your few friends have joined an NGO. So you have joined in an NGO and started doing service. Okay, that educates people. Yeah, poor children, education, they take care of that also. Okay, write a diary entry about your experience there. Now email you can write, right? Very simple. How to write an email?
Ma'am, our name. Ma'am, you have to mention just date and all the things and subject, ma'am, what we are going to write, the topic. And then the first introduction part and body, ma'am. And after that, the ending part, like thanks part, like that, ma'am.
Ending part, ma'am. Very simple. You can write about anything in your email. First, you need to address the name, and then where is the email ID? Here in the two, you have to write email ID. Subject is whatever you are going to write about. And general normal letter you can write. Okay, and then just click the
Button.
So write an email to your grandpa telling him all about your birthday party this year. Or you can write a reply to your brother who is in the school hostel and reassuring him about his upcoming football match. So he is a football player and you are giving lot of motivation for him to encourage him to participate in the football match. Same format. Okay, to address, subject, whatever letter. This is an informal letter, right? Email. Generally, I mean, depending upon the topic they have given. Grandpa is again informal. Writing to your brother is also informal. Okay, what are the two types of letters we have?
Formal and informal letters. Formal and informal. Formal is a character. Officers and all.
Officers, principal.
Typical and informal is our relatives and personal uses.
Yeah,
Like
informal
personal
letters
uses,
for
ma'am.
personal use for our friends, cousins, and all that, uncles and relatives.
Cousins and relatives.
Yeah. Whereas a formal letter means to your boss, to your publishers, like newspaper ads. To them, they will write a letter. To your principal ma'am, to our teachers, all those come under official letters. Oh. Now, what is speech? How do you see? Some occasions come in our school, they ask you to give speech. How do you prepare speech? First of all, there should be a topic. For example, you are asked to give a speech during Independence Day celebrations. So, how will you prepare for the speech? Mubashir, you tell me.
First we say,
Varshita, remain silent.
ma'am, first we'll say respected principal ma'am, and like that we'll
Yeah.
greet ma'am, good morning, and tell about the topic
Yeah.
and tell the important parts.
Yeah.
We tell all of that information in one word or one sentence, and thank the audience for their support, ma'am.
Okay. Actually, you take some experiences or some examples, whatever, depending upon the topic, isn't it? Then you explain it, and finally you give some conclusion, isn't it? And then finally you say the thank you for the audience. Okay. So now write a speech on given topics. Your speech should not exceed 350 words. Changing role of women in 20th century. How the women role was so different from 19th century to 20th century. How it changed? Totally right. Earlier girls were not even sent to school. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Child marriages. They were getting married early age.
Even if the husband dies, even the woman dies in that.
Like that, so many you might have come across in EBS social or something. But
Social, we have social, ma'am.
But now it is totally changed. All women are given equal importance when compared with men. Nobody is told you are a woman, you should not do like that. No, they are given equal opportunities in the studies, in your job, or whatever field she chooses. She is given maximum encouragement. So one is that if you can ask to prepare a speech, then adopting animals from street is better than buying from the pet shops. So you suppose you take the stray dogs, sterilize it, and nicely give all vaccinations. Is it better to adopt animals from the street, or just go and buy spend some 50,000 and buy some?
And we can help the dogs from dying also. Man, street dogs are very.
Yeah, your wish. Whatever you want to write, you can write.
All that.
This is about speech. Now let's come to informal letter. Okay, so what kind of letters we have now? One informal letter is there and formal letter is there. This we did many times, but still again I'm explaining for the new students. Is Aryan there?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, is there.
So informal letter, just like how Pranavi said, it is written to our close friends, close relatives. Informal letters are the ones that we write to our friends and relatives. They are informal because we are communicating with the people with whom we know very, very well, right from our childhood. So the style of writing can be free. There are no strict rules that can be followed. You can write as you wish, but still some format should be there. We can't write just like everybody's informal letter format should be almost same. One or two here and there, it's okay. But generally, this is the standard format we follow. Now, first one, your address. Sender's address means who is writing the letter? Who is writing letter? You, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So your address you should write first house number and then the colony name, street name, city, and then pin code. And what is the date you are writing the letter? Today's date. Okay. And then to whom you are writing? Suppose you are writing to your friend Rakesh. Okay. So how do you call him?
Dear Rakesh.
Dear
Dear
Rakesh.
Rakesh.
Okay. Write all the matter. Okay. Here he wrote about, I think. Okay. He's discussing about Christmas holidays and what is he planning to do and all that for newer parties, etc. Okay. So he has divided the matter into 2 paragraphs. And finally, he gave one conclusion. Let me know the exact date of arrival. So he invited him for the Christmas holidays. We shall be at the station to receive you. And final, one more thing he said, I hope you are doing well. Please give my regards to your parents. And finally, you will write your loving friend or your loving cousin, and then write your
Name.
name.
Signature. Signature.
Yeah, your signature. So these are the different letters, informal letters you can write. Your uncle, to your uncle, thanking him for the gift he has sent you. Okay. Now, Aryan, tell me the same matter. When you write your uncle, how will you change it? Come on, start. Sender's address. You have to see your uncle has given you one gift. You are thanking him for that gift. Okay? Aryan,
Yes, ma'am.
are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to write a letter to your uncle. First, sender's address. You are the sender, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
You first write your address. What is your address? Tell me your address, Aryan. Your house number, your apartment number, your street name, everything you tell me. You don't know?
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
What happened to
Ma'am,
him?
Aryan is in mute and he's saying.
Aryan, you're in mute mode. Unmute.
Ma'am,
Okay,
Guntur.
now tell me your house number, please. What is your apartment number?
Again, he is on mute.
Okay, some problem with him.
Ma'am, can I say Varshit?
Ma'am,
Varshit,
can I
try.
say Tanvi?
Varshit, try.
Ma'am, ma'am, my apartment name is ITW Signot Colony. My apartment number is 67.
First you should write your apartment number.
Yes, ma'am. My apartment number
Don't
is,
tell like that. Just directly tell the address.
ma'am, 67, ma'am, ITW Signot Colony.
Ah.
Road number 4.
Hmm.
Road number 4. Flat number 201.
Flat number you should tell in the beginning, Varshit. See here, 47B by 1 Racecourse Road. So this is independent house, I guess. Yours is apartment or independent house? What happened to him? Okay, Jessica, you say?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. B353. Ma'am, I'm just telling my address. Chandana Avenue. Flat number 102.
First flat number.
Flat number 102, Chandana Avenue. B3. House number B353.
House number B350. Flat number 102.
Then street name?
Huda Colony, Chandanagar, Hyderabad.
Pin code?
5,50,000.
Okay, then next what will you write? Today's date. Yeah. Come on, continue. Don't stop.
Today's date is 8th March 2021.
Okay, dear, you have an uncle?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just write dear uncle because you can't call your uncle by name. Fine.
Yes.
Dear uncle.
Dear
yeah.
uncle.
Yeah.
Dear uncle. Dear uncle, thank you for giving me gift. What you have sent?
What gift you has given? Please explain.
Ma'am, a Barbie.
You still play with Barbies?
No, ma'am.
Ah.
I'm not telling, ma'am.
Pranavi, ma'am.
Ma'am, he gifted me chocolates, ma'am.
Okay, a box of chocolates. Fine.
Yes.
Ah.
Thank you, uncle, for giving me a box of chocolates. It has tasted. It is so wonderful.
I've shared with my.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. I have shared with my sister. She also loved the chocolate and asking more.
Okay, enough. Then later, what is the conclusion?
Conclusion. Thank you. Thank you, uncle. Bye. We will meet you at summer vacation.
Okay.
Your lovingly, Jessica.
Okay. So like that, similar things you can write for other things also. For example, to your mother, father, telling him about your activity. Suppose you went to boarding school. What is boarding school?
Ma'am, it is an hostel.
Can you give me the best example? We had already learned about boarding school.
Ma'am,
Which lesson?
boarding school.
Lolly.
Sixth lesson.
Yeah.
Isha hostel, ma'am. Ma'am, Isha homeschool.
Huh?
Isha homeschool, ma'am. It is in Arakku. Ma'am, it's in Bangalore Valley, ma'am, not Arakku.
Okay. So you have recently, last year or maybe before last year, you joined in boarding school. So you are describing about all the activities there about your parents, mother or father. And similarly, the format will be same. Only the matter will be changing. Okay. Next comes. I'll give you all the works. Okay, wait. Then formal letter. Very, very important. What do you mean by formal letter? Dheeraj Reddy.
Ma'am, formal letters means official letters, ma'am.
Official letters. Do you think so? We should be very careful while writing formal or informal letters.
Yes, ma'am. We write formal letters. Since relatives. Formal
Dheeraj, what I'm asking is, we should be careful while writing formal or informal.
Ma'am, formal letters.
Why you are saying?
Ma'am, it's not me, ma'am. Varshita.
Okay. Dheeraj, why do you think so? We should be very careful. Justify.
Ma'am, because we are writing to our principal teachers, ma'am.
Or only the principal teachers?
Ma'am, respect, ma'am.
Yeah, our boss, our immediate boss, or some company head, like that. Don't you think so?
Yes,
We
ma'am.
should be, every word should be very, very carefully framed, sentences and everything.
Yes, ma'am.
And even the format.
Yes, ma'am.
So formal letters are written for only official purposes. And do you think so? You will write lengthy official letters?
No, ma'am.
No, your point should be very short, very clear, and just to the point. No extra, not even less, not even more. It should be absolutely whatever is required. Only that much we need to write. We write formal letters to our principals, companies, editors of newspapers, magazines, bank managers. See, most of the time you have bank related jobs. So nowadays it has converted into mobile banking and internet banking. But earlier we didn't had anything. So what we used to do whenever we want some work, some special work to be done in bank, we have to write a letter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we have to write either a letter to bank manager. So saying that I want some details about this account, or I want to transfer this account, I'm getting transferred to some other place, like that. So these letters, one is writing to principals, companies, writers and all that. Another is letters of application. Either for you apply for the jobs, or you apply for the leave when you're already doing a job. Are you understanding? Suppose you are in IT, you are doing a job in IT company. Okay. What will you say? You want to go for vacation for 1 week. So how will you write? You will keep an application, letter of application for leave sanctioning. Okay. If you don't understand, you stop me. If you are silent, that means you understood. Shall I take it like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then another thing is you have finished your engineering or you have finished your studies. Now you want to apply for jobs. Where will you? How will you write letter? To whom you will write the letter?
Manager.
To the HR managers. Okay. To the company heads. You write that you give all the details and all that. So suppose we will write this letter. Who is this person? He is writing a letter to his principal. Okay. Let's see how he writes. Okay. Manas, read this.
Yes, ma'am.
First, tell your address. This is sender's address. You are writing a letter to our principal, ma'am, Priya ma'am, and you want to apply for leave because what happened? You got fever. Okay. Now start.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I live in Hubli, ma'am.
No, you tell your Hyderabad address.
Ma'am?
Tell your Hyderabad address.
Ma'am, Miapur
Again, you are
and
making
Hyderabad,
same
ma'am.
mistake. You are doing the same mistake again and again. I told you, whenever you write address, first apartment number.
Ma'am, apartment name is yes, ma'am. Apartment name is
I am asking
Sri
apartment
Sadhya
number. Why
Home.
are you telling apartment name?
Ma'am, 144, ma'am.
144. Next.
And ma'am, the apartment name is Sadhya Apartments.
Okay. Street.
Ma'am, street ma'am, Miapur.
Street can't be Miyapur. Miryapur is locality or colony. Street like Matrushi Nagar, like that.
Ma'am, Matrushi Nagar, ma'am.
Okay. Matrushi Nagar, Miyapur, Hyderabad, some pin code. Okay. Now, next, what will you write?
Okay. Dear
That's
principal,
it.
ma'am.
You will, Manas, see here. Sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject. Then, dear madam. Why are you
Okay, ma'am.
this?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 3rd December 2020.
Why you are telling earlier address?
2019.
Whenever you write a letter, it should be only that day.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I wrote it at 5th February 2019.
Is not at all understanding what I'm trying to say. Santosh, you tell.
Ma'am, Abhinaya, can I say?
Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Date.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Third day. Ma'am, first one is third day, Miapur, Matrushi
Okay,
Nagar.
leave the address part. Start from date.
Yes, ma'am. 12th November 2020.
Why 12th November? Ma, for God's sake. What did I just tell you? Date should be today's date. Huh?
Ma'am, can I tell? 2021.
Naina, you say?
Ma'am, Bhuvasya.
Gosha, you already gave chance for some other thing. Naina, attribute time.
Yes, ma'am. 8th March 2021.
Yes, sir. Come on.
And the receiver's address is of principal ma'am.
No, don't say principal ma'am. Read as it is.
The principal Zenas International School.
Very good. Matrushi Nagar.
Matrushri Nagar,
Miapur,
Hyderabad.
Miapur,
Matrushri Nagar, Miapur,
Hyderabad. Over. Receiver address. Now, what is the subject?
Leave application.
Okay. Then next comes what?
Dear Madam.
Here his dad is writing. My son Ramesh Kumar is a class of student 5B. Okay. So, Naina, I want you to write letter to your principal. Our principal ma'am. You should only request for leave. Now change the sentence.
Ma'am, mother is writing, ma'am.
Mother, Parvati Kumar. Okay, okay, leave it. Naina, you have to request. Now, come on, frame the sentences.
Yes, ma'am.
I am a student of.
I am a student of class 5B. Class 5B, Nayana Sai.
I am suffering.
I am going to a wedding.
Oh, you're asking for wedding, huh? Okay, fine.
Wedding party. So
I need leave for.
So I need leave for a week.
Okay.
For a week of. For a week, please.
Enough. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'll be very happy if you grant me leave. Okay.
I will be very happy if you grant.
You can say since you're applying for 1 week, Naina, you have to tell whose wedding is it. Okay, it must be a close family member, isn't it? So you may say that my cousin is getting married. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, if it is distance relative wedding, why do you want to skip school for 1 week? That's not acceptable, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can say that my cousin is getting married, so that's the reason I need leave. Okay. Finally, what will you say? Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Respectively.
No respectively required. Just thank you. Don't add extra things. Whatever is there, you write. That's it.
Thank you. Yours faithfully. Mrs. Nayana Sai. Okay. Now, Satvik, I'll give you a chance. You have to write to a librarian of your school and you have misplaced. You borrowed one book and you misplaced the book. So what will you write to a librarian now? How will you convince him or her? First, write from the address you start.
Yes, ma'am. LIG 41 Dharma Reddy Colony, Hyderabad, Telangana. Ma'am, and
Dharma Reddy Colony, no street?
No street, ma'am.
Where do you stay?
Ma'am, near that JNTU, ma'am.
JNTU area, what is it called as?
Ma'am, Hydernagar, ma'am.
Hydernagar, at least. Yeah, right, Hydernagar. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. 8th March 2021. Dear madam,
What about the receiver's address and all? You are writing to the
Yes,
librarian of your school.
Yes, ma'am. Here for that librarian, should I give the school address, ma'am?
Give the school address. Instead of principal, address it to librarian.
Okay, ma'am. Zenas International School.
Write the librarian.
Okay, ma'am. The librarian. Zenas International School. Matrushri Nagar, Hyderabad. Ma'am, even I should write that. Here in the textbook they gave 535720. Shall I say that also, ma'am?
Yeah, you have to write pin code also.
Okay, ma'am.
By the way, all of you are understanding what we are discussing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thoroughly, right? Anurag?
Yes, ma'am, we are understanding.
Anywhere you don't understand, please stop. Don't just simply sit like that. Try to understand. Okay, continue, Satvik.
Yes,
Subject.
ma'am. Subject misplaced a book, ma'am.
Yeah, misplacement of a book or lost a book or misplaced a book. Okay.
Okay,
Library
ma'am.
book,
Lost
not
a
just
book.
a book. Library book.
Yes, ma'am. Lost a library book.
Yes.
Dear madam,
Hmm.
I lost a library book in the library of our school.
You need to tell the details of the book you borrowed.
Dear madam, I am a student of class 5th B in your school.
My name is.
I have lost a library
You need to give
book.
your details. My name.
My name is Satvik. I am studying in class 5th B in your school.
Hmm.
I lost a library book in the library of our school.
Hmm. What is this book yet about? There are thousands
What,
of books
ma'am?
in library. Which specific book you lost? Don't you think so? You need to tell.
Ma'am, I lost a book about eagles, ma'am.
Okay, fine. See, you need to tell I borrowed this book last week. Okay. Satvik, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Last week I borrowed and today I was supposed to give, but I couldn't find my book. I
lost it
searched
in my
everywhere.
home.
Give some apology. Okay. Don't just say I lost my book. That's it. Won't be like that. You need to feel sorry for it. Isn't it? And how you're going to solve
Yes,
the problem
ma'am.
also you need to tell. Come on.
Yes, ma'am. When I found that book, I will give it to you in the school.
What is the guarantee that you will find?
Okay, ma'am.
So you need to replace it. That's what happens. If you lose a book from library, you have to.
Ma'am, I will buy a new book and give it.
Yes. You should say I tried my best. I searched everywhere. I couldn't find. Please give me 1 or 2 days more. If I can't find within the next 2 days, I'm going to
Buy a new book and give it to you.
And replace the library book. I'm going to buy a new book. Please, I'm extremely sorry. Say something.
Yes, ma'am. I am extremely sorry that I lost the book.
Ashik Virat, are you not finding it interesting?
I'll replace it in 2 to 3 days if I did not find it anywhere.
Okay, then how do you enclose it?
Thank you. You are faithfully. Ma'am, here shall I... Here the librarian's name is not mentioned, no, ma'am.
Yeah. It's okay, ma. Library, mostly in even big schools, we have only one librarian who takes care of the entire library. Okay.
Kindly accept my apology. Can we write, ma'am?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you, did you understand how to write a Pragnesh Reddy?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand how to write a letter to librarian? Now, I want you to do few things. All of you, you take a rough book and pencil quickly. The meeting will end. What I want you to write.
Can you tell the red flower lesson, ma'am?
Wait. Now, first thing you need to do is, all of you make down this write down these points. Where did we start today? Proverbs. Okay. Are you all listening to me? Khyati, Varshit, Vaishnavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First, all of you learn Proverbs and the meanings. Then I forwarded this in the group. Do this matching. Okay. Then read few idioms. I forwarded this also. Okay. Underline the idiom and find its meaning in the dictionary. I forwarded this also. You can just write. If you don't have place here, write in your book. Then phrasal verbs also, just read it. This also I forwarded. Copy that from the book. Okay, and then my pet dog, this. I all forwarded question answers for this. No need to write all the question answers. Okay, object to type. Will you let me complete, Varshita? Okay, this object to type you can do. Seeing from the answers. Okay, question answers you try to write. Or you can just read because same thing will be repeated. This 2 lines or 3 lines somewhere it will be repeated. Then advertisement, write this advertisement. In 1, 2, 3, which one you will write? Brother missing you write. And pet dog missing. Okay.
Means we should write in an A4 paper, ma'am.
No need. Write in book. Book is over, right? Lessons are over, isn't it? There are so many pages in essay 2 book. Okay. Okay, write advertisement. Point out this page number 168, 1 and 2.
Ma'am,
Right,
in
like-
the diary writing, what we should do?
Listen to me first.
4 lessons, no, ma'am.
Huh?
We have more lessons, no, ma'am.
No, only that. 8 lessons only we are doing. We won't have time for the rest.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so 1 and 2 you write. It would hardly take 5 minutes to write these advertisements. Okay, then in 3 of this, anyone you can pick up and write diary writing. Page number 169.
Yes, ma'am.
And then come to letters are very important. In the informal letter and the formal letter. Informal letter, which one you will write?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
first one
uncle
and
thing
third
only you
one.
write. Thanking uncle, write that. And then among these 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, anything you pick up. Whatever is comfortable, you pick up and write 2 informal
Ma'am,
letters.
means we should write 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We should write another one, ma'am.
Both 2 letters you have to write. Then formal letter. Librarian you write.
First one, third one.
Write librarian. Formal letter. Same format. Okay. Then what is left? Verb forms you have to read on your own. What is the simple
Ma'am,
present
for
tense?
that
Simple.
essays, what we should write, ma'am?
Yeah, we'll do. We need to still do. Basic verb forms you just need to read just
Ma'am.
like that. Simple present is blow. Simple past tense is blow. Past principle is blown. Okay, simply read. It's just for your information. Yeah, how to write essay, speech. Yeah, speech I forgot.
Ma'am, essay means in our school essay writing competitions there will be. no, ma'am.
Like that only. I don't think you need to write email. You very well know, right? How to write emails.
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
No need to write. Speech also. What is the topic? Changing role of women, adopting animals from the street, and strict laws are required for protecting endangered species. You know about endangered species? Do you have any
Ma'am.
idea? What are the endangered species,
Ma'am.
first of all?
About to be extinct, ma'am.
Yes, the species which are about to become extinct. Okay,
Ma'am,
you
means
see
like tiger, ma'am.
a tiger, it is not going to become extinct, but a safe tiger is there, right? The
Yes,
count of tigers, the count of tigers in India, it is becoming very, very less, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I don't think they'll become extinct. But
Ma'am, day by day they are reducing, ma'am.
yeah. Speech, you leave it, ma. I will give more importance to informal and formal letters. That's more important. Essay also we will see. Okay, essay you can write simple things. See here. A visit to zoo,
Yes, ma'am.
India World Cup, the person I like most, I love my India, a frightening story or a ghost story, my grandparents from a balcony. Okay, you write my
Ma'am, we
grandparents.
should write about 2 paragraphs, ma'am.
2 essays.